This is my favorite body butter, guys. This is my favorite body butter. I've just added a bit of flair and added some colors to it. If you want to see how I make this, please stick around, like, share, and subscribe so you can support us and you won't miss out on any of my awesome videos. This is so beautiful, guys. Stick around. You will be using our vitamin E cream, yes, coconut oil. It's organic and it's virgin. It's virgin. So I'll be using that in my body butter as well. Essence as well, my mango essence. Do you get it? I love the scent of mango. I love to eat mango. You see, I love it on my skin. Gosh. So stick around so we can make my favorite body butter. 5 tablespoons of shea butter and 5 tablespoons of coconut oil melted in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna add my vitamin E cream. I did kind of use the same bowl, so forgive me. I'm gonna just put that in. I did measure it out, but you can add as much as you desire for this. I measure it out like it's about 10 tablespoons, yeah, for that. And then I am just gonna whisk that in. I'm just gonna meantime, while I'm whisking, I'm just gonna add 5 drops of my mango premium fragrance essence to the mixture, just to make sure you get that really nice mango smell to it. To add my color, I'm just gonna separate it out so I can add colors in different batches. So I've separated a large amount and then I'm gonna add a few different colors, that is, into the rest. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Look how messy this is. You don't want to miss this, guys. You don't want to. First color up is my deep pink. I'm just gonna add a few drops of that. 1, 2, not too much, and then we're gonna whisk that up. Ooh, forgot to take the spoon out, you guys. Oh well, let's see. Just gonna then whisk that color up. Next color up, guys, is my yellow. I don't have a lot in there, so I'm hoping that this little amount will suffice. Yes, should just about work. Wow, pray for me, guys, pray for me. I am gonna be whisking that as well. Guys, you should have seen me just now. I literally drained this bottle because I want to get more color in it. And if I don't have enough color, I'm just going to be so mad, so sad, so mad, so sad. But hold up. If you're still here and you have not yet subscribed to us, please subscribe to us and come back for more of these awesome videos. Remember, try out. Let's have a DIY Christmas. This is actually my favorite body butter, but I'm adding a little twist to it, and I'm just adding some colors. Who don't like colors? Let's get with it. Let's get back to the video. So guys, I have this lovely yellow color that's gonna look really smashing against my pink. Stick around, you don't want to miss any of this. For my final color, guys, I'm gonna do a royal blue. I'm just gonna add just a little bit because I'm aware that if I add too much colors, it will actually stain your skin, so you need to be careful with the colors. I haven't actually cleaned the bowl because this is a darker color, so it shouldn't mix so much. I'm just gonna then whisk that up. And I am loving loving the outcome of this color, guys. Look how lovely this is. I'm loving that color. So let's just add them together and see what we get. Stick around. I'm just gonna, ooh, so that's the yellow in that one. So it looks like. And for this one, it's the pink. Ooh, look at that. That's the pink for this one. And I'm gonna layer the yellow, sorry. Woo! I'm just gonna put the yellow on this one. Just gonna do two colors for this one. I am loving that. So I'm piping all of the yellow into this one. Cool. Then for this one, I'm just gonna put some pink into that one. Awesome. Alright, I'm living for that. This is what I have so far. So that's the yellow and the pink. Awesome. So guys, I got the blues. Hey, 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 hey. Woo! So you have the blue just right in the middle, right there. Awesome. And I'm just gonna fill that in with the royal blue on top. I am living for this. Are you? I am so living for this. I love this. Love this. I have another bottle that I'm gonna be using, so I'm saving some, guys. So I'm just gonna add a bit of pink. I'm trying to decorate, guys. Don't just round. Awesome. And for this one, just a little more pink in the middle. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. So far, this is my awesome body butter. It's just a little messy on there, but that's fine. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. Ugh. And it feels so good on your skin. It has that goodness. It has that shea butter. It has that coconut oil. It also has the vitamin E. Awesome. They're all great for your skin, actually. And it's all vegan, because you know me, all my stuff it's gonna be vegan if you come here. So like, share and subscribe, guys. Look at this.